As you know, Northeast has been slammed by a nor'easter, and this is pretty crazy. So I'm going to show you guys right when I open up my back door what you guys are about to see. So here we go. Freezing out, Jesus. I don't even want to open up my door, it's gonna knock the hit. Oh my god. Snow is just blowing right through the screen. The snow drifts every 3 feet. Oh. Just the snow and the wind hitting my face right now. Unbelievable. Never seen anything like this ever. Seen some big storms, but nothing like this. The wind is just absolutely nuts. Close this door, it's freezing. Incredible.
Just think of your age.
It's nuts. I'm gonna go downstairs.